Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick review where we will be taking a look at the Bissell Crosswave versus the Tineco Ifloor 3 Breeze. So which one is the best and which one you should prefer? This is what we will be finding out in this video. So I will put the best buying link of both of these down in the description so you can also check that out. As you can see that currently I'm on Reddit and this person has asked this same question, and in response to it, both are pretty bad options. The Hoover model is far better. Yes, which Hoover streamline still not great but better. So my Tineco broke after 6 months and started smoking. Wirecutter says go with Bissell. So with the comments I can see that people are not actually like it. They have bad experience with both of these. But for more reviews you can definitely go to Amazon and then you can see for yourself which one is the best choice for you. As I said earlier, I will put the best buying link of both of these down in the description so you can read the reviews there, you can see the ratings, and you can read more about or more information about both of these products in order to make an informed decision which one is better for you. That was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.